it's Scott Payne. I'm sharing the newest releases to our PMP Accelerator System, the world's greatest PMP system that is focused on one thing, guiding you through step by step to make the PMP experience understandable, fun, and you actually leave it as a better project manager. Let me show what me and my team have cooked up for you. Here we go. All right, so everybody knows what this is. This is the PMP Accelerator Dashboard for students, right? So I'm in the role of a student right now. Now, what do you see down below? You know what you got. You got progress tracking, you got development badges, all that stuff. The new things, as I pop myself to the other side of the screen and realize that way is the thing. See over there, exam preparation steps. Now it's like, I submitted my PMP exam. I picked my exam date. We'll help you with that. That little badge there says, hey, the coach has seen me solve questions, has worked with me hand in hand, has been getting me on the path to get there on a custom schedule for me as a student, and says, you know what? You're ready to go. So they're stamping that badge. We have never missed when we stamped on a badge. If we say you're ready, you're ready. Take the test, pass, smile, digital high five. That's how it works, all right? And then the last thing is, when you come back in here and said, yo, I passed my PMP exam, boom, you put it in. So we developed preparation steps. Everything's organized toward that. Now, additionally, let me pop my face back up to the top. We got the course materials. See those down there? We want everything to be super duper simple for you. So what do? Your workbook that you're using through the course, your question solving template that you're using in the calls, your exam day battle plan that teaches you exactly what to do, how to prepare, how to handle. Everything is boom, one click. That's how it goes, dude. All right, that's where they are right there, and they're embedded in the course. Now, one of the awesome things as an Accelerator student, you know this. You get live calls 2 a week for an hour and a half with people who care and are knowledgeable and are going to guide you one-to-one in little baby groups till you pass. Now, I'm playing as a student, right? Okay, like this is me, Scott the student. All right? Now, my calls are, what do we have? Misty's my accountability coach. Every week, hour and a half, get me on a plan, keep me on a plan, help me break rocks, get me to the point where I'm ready to take it. Thank you, Misty. The other point is Sandy down there, Sandy Mitchell. Like one of the world's greatest PMP instructors, works on our team. Awesome. She's my hard question made easy instructor if I was a student. All right. Or you could get me, one of the two, or Matt Lewick. They're all awesome. So the question is like, hey, can I talk to these people? You dang right you can. All right. So here you go. Boom. Look, as I go over there. Hey, Misty, I couldn't point. That's my accountability coach. And then Sandy, what's up? That's there. How would I communicate? Well, if I want to talk to Misty, look over here. Bang, right there. That's the conversation that I'm going to have. Hey, Misty. Boom. And then if I wanted to have a conversation with Sandy, hey, Sandy. I already said, hey. Hey, Sandy. Testing. 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 That's awesome. So right there, easy peasy, instant message, like bing, we might even get a call back right there, and you can connect. All right, so all this stuff is done for one reason. To help you out, because we have needs. You have to get the support you want, and you have to be able to go through and feel comfortable. So if you're a student, awesome. Dive into the chats, dive into everything. Oh, I got something else to show you. Shoot, I forgot. All right, so you're in an accountability call, right? You're in a hard question call. Look here, this little button at the thing. If I go down here and I click on my groups, you're gonna have Misty Thomas's accountability call. These are all your fellow folks in here. Boom, you can talk to them and say, hey guys, I had a great call the other day. I have some questions. Little tight-knit band of brothers and sisters to help you out there. I totally forgot about how awesome that was. And there's another one. Say I'm in Sandy Mitchell's call and our little hard questions. That was an awesome call today. Anybody want to do a study group? Blah, blah, blah. Talk it through. Sandy, I need your help. Bing, it goes in there. There's another group to talk to all the students. I'm almost running out of voice giving you all the good stuff that we've done. But don't worry, all that's there. So big screaming, here we go. You know this is all for you. If you're outside and you want to get involved in the accelerator, you want to see what it's like, contact us directly. If you're inside, keep rolling, all right? Lean into the chats, lean into the calls. I can guarantee you one thing. You're going to pass because of the process, and we ain't going to never stop supporting you. So we got releases coming out that are super duper double awesome. But right now, dive into the chats, dive into the calls. We're here to support you. Let's go.